What's going on YouTube? Kenny Alexander Black Sheep RC. We have got the little motor put together. We've got her wired up. We got a new harness because the first one, as soon as I hit the start button, it fried it. We got gas in it, or nitro fuel in it. We got a LiPo over here charging up to go in it, and we're getting ready to fire this baby up, and let's see what she does. That ain't on there very good. That's gonna go, that ain't gonna, yep, we'll have to fix that. But either way, let's hit this thing, see what it does. I'm gonna pull the battery off and be right back. All right, y'all, time to see if she works. Let's find out. Why ain't you firing, little buddy? Well, y'all, she wants to go, so I'm going to figure it out, tune it, play it a little bit, get it running. I'll be back. All right, y'all, we're back. Got my 5-year-old son recording me, so I don't know how good his video quality is going to be, but check it out. She's alive, y'all. Yeah, boy. I want to give a huge shout out to Engine DIY for having a competition where I was able to win this thing. It runs amazing, and yeah, as you guys see, she's good to go. 3S LiPo, little engine, little starter button, gas tank. That's all you need. She runs, boys and girls. There it is. Till next time, y'all. Peace out. Link in the description if y'all want to go get one of these motors. $150 if they're still on sale, guys. This little thing's phenomenal for the price. You can't beat it. All right, y'all. Peace out.